Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Soslan Ambanakov. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys the strategy that has helped me to pass the instant quantum prop from guys. It was a 50K, it is a 50K account. It has the phase 1 and phase 2 saying, let me show it to you guys, all right? So here has the phase 1. Actually, phase 1, I passed it within a week. Phase 2, it took me longer than that. It is what it is. I've made a bunch of mistakes, but I still passed it. So phase 2 has passed. And currently I'm on a live account, 50K account. So this is live account. So let's get the first paid out. I'll keep you updated, guys. All right. So now let me show you the strategy I've been using, guys. Okay, so I'm a breakout trader. Sometimes I use breakouts, sometimes I use breaking a retest. Depends, depends on the day, depends on the market structure, depends on the market conditions, guys. And let me show you some examples, basically. Okay, so first of all, you're gonna wait till the market equity open, guys. It's 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you're gonna wait till 6:30 a.m. You're not gonna place any trades before 6:30 a.m. Okay. So at 6:30 a.m., you're gonna open your charts maybe about 10 minutes before the market, the session starts. You're gonna mark up your support and resistance, all right? So here I have the support. Here I have the resistance. Okay. If you're wrong, you can draw this trend line as well. Now, if 6:30 a.m. comes around, 6:30 a.m. is right here, 6:30 a.m. The moment we start breaking the support, I'm going to enter around here, okay? So you see this week, sometimes the market is not going to be perfect, okay? So basically, I'm going to wait for this one to start breaking. If I'm trading on a 5-minute time frame, I'm not going to wait for these candles to close, all right? So as you start breaking to the down, this one I probably wouldn't enter. Maybe yes, maybe no. Depends. I would probably enter some around here. Keep my stop loss around here. Probably wouldn't get to my entry zone, so I'll probably wouldn't take this trade. However, guys, when we come back again and start breaking, I would enter around here, keep my stop loss tight, and my take profit would be about 1 to 2, 1 to 3. Okay. Hence, I'm gonna check to the left, see what we have. If we have a clean traffic, then I might hold my trades. And basically, we're gonna let her run. Okay. In this particular case, probably I would have closed half of my positions around 1 to 2, and let the rest ride. And place my stops to break even. And in this case, basically, I would have won half of my position. I would have closed 1 to 2 there, and the rest would have gotten broke even. All right, let's get to the next example. Okay, so 6:30 a.m. we have this uptrend and this distance, this trend line. Also, we have this support, right? This, so this is 6:30 a.m. right? So 6:25 and 6:30. Okay, the moment we already above our entry. So if I see that we've gone above this candle, when I see that we're going to start going above this candle, like close at 6:25. I'm sorry, 6:30. Where I enter my trade right around here, probably where I stop loss tied here. Just keep my trade about to 2, half of the position. Let the rest ride about maybe around 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and close the rest of it. All right, and that is it. It's very simple, guys.
You guys interested in working one-on-one with me, guys? Let me know in the comments. Never done this before. I've never worked with anybody, but I'm gonna start doing that to start helping as much people as I can. Leave me a comment below, guys, if you're interested in that, and I'll see you in my next video. So now, since I've passed the phase 1 and phase 2, let's actually get paid with this platform. All right, the platform again is called Instant Funding. And this particular, I did the two-phase standard account. You needed to make 8%, which is 4,000. Have made that. On the second phase, you needed to make about 5%, which was 2,500, which I made. Either and I passed the account, guys. Right? All right, very simple, very easy. Right? If you keep it simple, right? Sometimes you guys overcomplicate these trading strategies. As you can see, I don't use no indicators. Try to keep my charts as clean as possible. If you want to ask me what is this live for, this is a weekly open rise, right? This is where the price for the week opened. And this is the daily open. I don't really use this anymore. I just still have it on my charts just cause, but I use it. And this is just a session. It shows me the New York starts, and it shows me when the London session opens, right? That's that. But I don't use any fancy indicators and stuff like that, guys, right? You don't need them, to be honest. Just trust this, right? Anyways, that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.